Hello, what's up? What's up, friends? Hope you guys are good. Hope mko poa, mko fiti. So welcome back to our Adobe Photoshop crash course, and this is our lesson 5. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Be strong. So right here we have our artboard. This was our artboard, as in our artwork that we were working with in our lesson 4. That is our last lesson. And in our last lesson, it was all about creating text in our Adobe, as in our artwork, that is in our artboard. So we added this text, that is social media marketing, right here. Then we added this other text that was Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we tried to break this text into maybe an object, so that maybe you can manipulate the text and try to play along how you want it to be. So yeah, so I want us to do away with this text, then we dive into something new today. So I'll just disable that, as in I'm going to disable, as in toggle the visibility right here. So yeah, that is how you toggle the visibility, this eye icon, like that. So now we have our image here. This is our main image. So now as we said, we are assuming we are creating a social media marketing poster. So today I want us to import a logo for our design. So place embedded, locate where your logo is. So allow me to locate a logo somewhere here. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, ensure to subscribe. Yeah, like the video, share this content with your friends so that they can also learn something new, that is, they can learn graphics and design. So I want to bring in this logo. So let's say we want to use this logo on our design. So as you can see, this logo has a background. So how do you work with such? If maybe you do not have the original artwork, or you do not have a PNG, there's a way maybe you can use this. So you can maybe decide to put it inside a circle. So that is called masking of images. So you just come here, get a shape. You can mask it in a rectangle shape, an ellipse, any shape that you want to mask it in. But always ensure you have changed this into path. That is one. Then now get your shape right here. Let's say it's an ellipse. Then just click, hold Alt and Shift at the same time. Click and drag. And now we have that. So now you can just position your image the way you want it, like that. You can zoom in, hold Alt and zoom in using your wheel on your keyboard. Position it properly, like that. Then now the next thing you can do, just go back to your shape tool, then right here click on mask, and that is how you get a mask like that. So that is how you get a mask like that. Another way to achieve this is, let me just undo that. Yeah, the other way to do this, just instead of using mask on top here, you can just use shape, like that. Then now let's draw our shape. Let's say we are using a rounded rectangle. So let me just draw this, like that. Then I'll drag this anchor nodes here, like that, to get a rounded rectangle. So now that is a shape. As you can see, it is filled with white. Let's change the color maybe to black. Now we cannot see our image. So let's ensure that the artwork that we want to fit it inside that shape is on top of the rectangle, like that. Then now hold Alt on your keyboard and you get that arrow that appears on your layers. Then just click and you have that masked, like that. Then now you can hold these two layers. The first layer, hold Shift, select the other one, then Control E on your keyboard to merge those into a single layer. So now this is one layer. So now you can zoom out and position it and place it on your artboard where you want it to be. So that is how you mask images. Then another trick that I'm going to show you today. So let's bring in our text type tool. Here it is. So as we said last time, we were doing it for social media marketing for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Then now I want to align these to the left. So as I said last time, come to properties, then locate your paragraph and align them to the left, like that. Yeah, then now you can just click and drag to increase the font size. So I want to change the font family, so just come right here, click that drop down, then I'm going to use impact. Yeah, then now I'm going to reduce this a little bit, scale it down, position it like that. Then now give it a different color, let's say white. Let's just take it back to black. Now we have something like that. Then maybe you can decide to, so in short, we are working on this poster so that we finish it up. Then now we continue. So you can come back here, then get a rounded we want to create another rounded rectangle. So just draw a rectangle, go back like that. You can zoom in so that you get to locate these nodes. Click and drag. Now we have another rounded rectangle. So we want to place the organization URL or a website URL, that is. Yeah, so just come back to my type tool, click anywhere on your artboard, start typing. So www.marshacreatives.co.ke. so yeah, there it is. Now I'll as always, you have to go back to your move tool, click on these anchor points, drag it down to scale it. Now I want it, yeah, it's already on top, change it to white. Back to my move tool, then change the color to white. Then now we have, as you can see, we have that located like that. Then maybe you might want to use icons, maybe, for instance. Then if you need any images, that is PNG images, just go to your browser, search for this, and there's this website called PNG Egg. Just search for PNG Egg. You'll get there thousands and thousands of assets that you can use on your design. So as you can see, we have that. Then now maybe social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, maybe they are on offer. So now let's go to, now let me show you how to get the assets. So right here, search for PNG Egg like that. Then now this first website, just click on that. Then now let's say we are searching for an offer asset. So let's say like they're on offer. So yeah, as you can see, you have all these assets to use. So let me say I want to use this. I click on it, then allow it to load. Right here, download PNG. Sorry, that is an ad. Let me close it. Download. Then just click here and say I'm human. Then now just fill in the captcha. Allow it to load. Let's give it some time. So just follow this order. So V, small a, small m, and the last one is an N. Then boom, it will just download automatically. Yeah, here it is. It has already downloaded. So I'll minimize that. Then I can just come to file. Or the easiest way, when it has downloaded, right here, it has downloaded, you can just click and drag it inside Photoshop like this and release it, and there it is. Now we have our special offer like that. Yeah, as you can see. Then now you can just position it where you want it to be. And the nice thing about this is that they have no background. That is, they are PNGs, they are transparent. So yeah, guys, that is all I wanted you to learn, how to finish designing up a poster or a flyer. So you just arrange your text and your images. And the other thing I've taught today is all about masking images. So that's it, guys. How to design flyers. The first thing is the heading. The first thing obvious is the background. So we started down here with our background. We gave it a gradient. We added this image so that we can get this effect right here. Then what we did, we gave it a blend, that is a linear band blend. So if guys, you have just jumped into this video, I would advise you just check on top here, on top of this video. I'm going to link in the link to this Photoshop playlist. That is the Photoshop crash course. So you can just go and start from lesson 1, and you'll be guided all the way to this point. Then you'll be able to learn how we created the background, how we created this text, how we imported this image. Yeah, and this image you can also get it from PNG Egg. If you need it, just go there and search for social media. then you'll get this type of an image. Then yeah, that's all I taught for this tutorial. So that's it for today, guys. As always, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and share. See you in the next class. Be strong.